Hello everyone, I'm Dimitri, your architect and instructor from LibIDS. And in this lesson, I'm going to show you a really cool AutoCAD command that lets you paste items from one file to another already in their correct position. So I have a floor plan here with the entire layout, everything just right. And I have another plan here with only the walls, doors, and windows. So let's say I want to copy an item from the layout, like this bed and the nightstands, and paste it in exactly the same position as it is here in this plan. Remember, it's very important that both plans are in exactly the same position. When I say that, I mean that this XY axis needs to be in the same position in both files, okay? So what was done here was just making a copy of this file, which really makes my life easier. So the XY axis always needs to be the same in both plans. So let's look at a first situation. So imagine that I want to place this bed and the two nightstands in the other plan. So I can select the desired items using a selection window. So I selected everything I needed here, and I'm going to use the Ctrl+C shortcut on the keyboard. It will then copy this information. And then I'll switch tabs to my other project, right, my other file, and look how interesting. If I hit Ctrl+V, it'll stick to the mouse, and I'd have to position it again where I need it. That's not what I want. So I'm going to hit ESC here and right-click anywhere on the screen. Then we'll have the clipboard option, and I'll go to the second to last option and click it, and then it will paste exactly in place. Super practical. Now we have a second situation. Let's suppose I have some object here, some element. It could be a line, a door, a window, whatever, that I don't want in this floor plan anymore. I only want it in the other one. So check this out. I can select all the elements here just like I did before, but this time the shortcut I'm going to use isn't Ctrl+C, it's Ctrl+X. So Ctrl+X cuts it, okay? Then I'm going to switch tabs, and just like before, I'm not going to use Ctrl+V, okay? Anywhere on the screen, I'll right-click, go to Clipboard, then go to the second to last option and click it. And then it will place it exactly where it needs to be. And check this out. In the previous floor plan, it won't be there anymore. So this is a really cool method for transferring elements between AutoCAD files. I really hope you all enjoyed it. Just a reminder, we have our complete AutoCAD course linked in the description. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next classes.